I don't even know how to start this video because right now I feel kind of like selfish and stupid. Pretty much in my last video, I mentioned for 2 minutes in this 20-minute video that I was thinking of doing merch because I really need to get all 4 of my wisdom teeth taken out, and I have no comprehension of how I'm going to raise that amount of money. In the comments section, I think I got about 200 plus comments, and every single comment said, yes, we will buy merch. And that just blew my mind. I had a good, happy cry about it. I thought you guys were just so wonderful and so supportive and so sweet and so kind. So I decided to make this little video doing a design and coming up with one design. I really wanted to do 2, but it ended up taking me a lot longer to do this one than I thought. So I will have a second design ready in like a month. So you don't have to get this one. You don't have to get it at all. There's no pressure, obviously. So I just wanted to get it up on Teespring, get it up, get it out, and see what you guys thought. And if you were willing to buy a t-shirt or long sleeve, then that would mean the world to me. All the money that I get from the sales will go straight to my teeth. I was thinking, this is my idea, so I'll do a wisdom teeth video because I'm going to be cooked. During the whole video, I will pop up pictures of you guys in the merch and just say thank you. Like if you take a picture in the merch, send it to me. I'll put it in my video, whatever. Send it to me on Instagram at Kimberryberry. I think that would be such a funny video, like me getting my teeth done, but me saying thank you to everyone who bought a shirt. And yeah, I've blabbered enough, so here is a like 2-3 minute montage of me planning the design and putting it up on Teespring, and I'm about to go hit publish, and I'll put the link down below. And thank you so much for encouraging me to do that. You are amazing. You will be buying a piece of my artwork, and I appreciate you so much. Right now I am just struggling because I've just drawn at least 20 dragons and I can't quite seem to get them right. Ugh, 8-year-old me would be so pissed. Trying to remain as calm as possible. What I realized is that I think the reason I'm struggling with this so much is because it's really easy to, like giving advice, it's really easy to visualize and create something for someone else, but it's really hard to do it for yourself. So I think that's why I'm really struggling, because this is so like important to me and close to me. We're back and we have an outline. So I'm going to go in and add all the details. So I got my inspo here. So I got the general, like, you know, shape here. Like I've elongated him, moved his tail, and kind of like, I don't know, spread him out a bit, and then done like, you know, my own like face I really wanted to do. And I'm just going to do little spikes. I've still got so much left to do. And then I've got this inspo here, where I really like the scale work and the shading kind of style. And then I love this with the black and the white highlight. He's pretty cool. I ended up doing like kind of shading, like pencil shading and stuff. It's pretty cool. And then this is how he's looking on Photoshop. I'm playing with the font. I've added all these like squiggly wobbles and an extra layer, and then added a bit of texture to the background. And now I'm playing with this. And I feel like I just need to add me in there with like a sword, and I think it will be like cool enough. This is what I want to look like, not necessarily a realistic drawing of myself. Do I look cute? That's what I want to look like. Do you like how she's flat-chested? And I put little sprouts there, like little hair sprouts, so she's got little short bits. So I asked Becky what it needed, and I realised I hadn't given myself any tattoos on my arm because I forget that I have them. So a little subtle sleeve there, and now it kind of looks more like me. Do you think this is a good first attempt at merch?
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, of course. Yeah, it's exactly you. Like.
Okay, well, let's try it on some t-shirts, see how it looks. So I decided to do a long sleeve as well, because down in the comments you guys were like, if you did a black long sleeve, sold. So, name of your design.
Dragon Rider.
Yeah, Dragon Rider. Help me pay for my wisdom teeth.
Nice.
And the URL's Dragon Rider Kimberry. So this is, I got a t-shirt, a hoodie, and a long sleeve t-shirt. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look! Okay, I've ordered myself a long sleeve t-shirt, and then Becky's getting a hoodie. Are you excited?
Yay!
Yay! So I love that you've seen me in all my forms. I love you so much. Bye.